Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello, dear pupils. I am Teacher Grija, your reading rescuer of the day.
Another phoneme that we are going to study today is L. L as in lollipop. L as in lion. L as in lizard. What words starting with L do you know? Let us practice some more. Log. Leg. Lips. Leaf. Light. Perfect. Now let's try blending the phoneme to other phonemes. Ap, lap. Egg, leg. Log. The grapheme double L is also pronounced as L, like the final sound in the words bell, fall, doll. What other words with double L do you know? Let's practice. Gorilla, balloon, ball, tall, wall, shell. Awesome!
I hope that you have learned a lot in this video. This has been Teacher Grija, your reading rescuer of the day.